So today we're going to be building the Lego Technic NEOM McLaren Extreme E-Team set. Set number 42166. It contains 252 pieces and retails in the US for $26.99. So let's get it open and put it together. So we finished the Lego Technic NEOM McLaren Extreme E-Team race car, set 42166. This is a nice little build. It contains 252 pieces. It is one of these pullback cars where basically you roll it back and then it spins forward. The further you go back, the more it goes forward. The set has a lot of stickers on it. The sticker sheet is quite large, but I guess with Technic sets you kind of come to expect that sort of thing. There's no functioning wheels, so the wheels don't rotate left to right. Basically, it's just a straight moving car. Like I said, there's a lot of stickers, so it's very decorative. But beyond that, there's really not much, nothing too fancy about the car. I don't really know much about it, but I do like the colors that are on this. The orange and the black really mix pretty well. And also, I think I forgot to mention, it does retail for $26.99 USD. So, I mean, if you like Technic sets and you like building these little race cars, I do think that Lego's coming out on March 1st with a different variation of this McLaren NOEM car set or race car set. So we'll see how that is, in a few weeks. But, I recommend, if you're a fan of Technic sets, this was pretty straightforward. It was a fun little build. For $25, it's a decent price. So I recommend, if you're interested in building this, you probably would enjoy it. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate you clicking like and subscribe, and I appreciate your support.